Yes, good morning students. Welcome back to the second semester. So, henceforth I will take the social science. In second semester, I will continue the history part. Our Karnataka, this lesson is continued. Our Karnataka. In the first semester also, you have studied the two divisions, Bangalore and Mysore. So in this semester, for your syllabus, there are another two divisions, Kalaburgi and Belgaum division. Remember children, the Bangalore division has 9 districts, Mysore has 8 districts, Belgaum has 7 districts, and Kalaburgi division has 6 districts. Remember 9876. 9876. Remember the shortcut key 9876. For the administrative purpose, in our constitution, the Karnataka government has divided into the 4 divisions: the Bangalore division, Mysore division, Belgaum division, and Kalaburgi division. In first semester, you have studied about these two divisions, and let us study about these two divisions under this. First, we will begin with the Kalaburgi division. This is the small area that means the less districts are there. 6 districts in Kalaburgi districts. Those are Kalaburgi, Bidar, Ballari, Koppal, Raichur, and Yadagiri. Remember all these 6 districts: Kalaburgi, Bidar, Ballari, Raichur, Koppal, and Yadagiri. This is now also the comment is on this division is very backward area. So here the economically income is per capita income is very less, and literacy also is very less, and the fertile land is very less. That's why this area is considered as a backward area. So the government has decided to improve this division. The government has appointed the chairman. One committee has appointed one committee, and the committee's chairman was Dr. Nanjandappa. In 2000 year is appointed as a one committee, that is to study, and they give the report to the government, and the government has decided a special grant to improve that area under the constitution, the article 371J. The article 371J, this article, under this article the government has sanctioned, the government is providing the special grant to improve this Kalaburgi division. Remember children, this article carries 1 marks in FA3, half marks, and 1 marks in SA2. So the article under the article 371J, the one rule is there to improve that area. The special grant should sanction from the government. So the government has appointed the Dr. Nanjandappa to study that and reported to the government. The government has given the special grant to improve this Kalaburgi division. So the Kalaburgi division has very big history, because in Kalaburgi division so many number of rulers ruled in this Kalaburgi division, mainly the Mauryas, Shatavahanas. In Mauryas, the Ashokas, the inscriptions are there, pillars are there in Kalaburgi division, available is there. And 8th century, the Rashtrakutas king, the Maniketa, was the capital city of this Rashtrakutas and Kalaburgi district. After them, the Kalyana Chalukya ruled this area. The Chalukyas also ruled this area, and Vaso Kalyana was the capital city of the Kalyanas. The Basava Kalyana was the capital city at that time. They ruled the Kalyanas, and the historic Vachana movement in Kalaburgi, the Vachana movement was led by the very famous the Basavanna in that division only. And one more, the very rich empire, the Vijayanagara king ruled the Vijayanagara emperor ruled this division, and the capital city was Hampi. Have you heard the name Hampi? The Hampi was the capital city of Vijayanagara empire. Remember, the Hampi was the capital city of Vijayanagara empire. It carries 1 mass. And during this period, the Bahmani kings came to power, and Kalaburgi was the capital city. That time the Bahmani emperor was ruled. That time the Kalaburgi was capital city. So after the Bahmani, this division has ruled by the Hyderabad Nizams. And first it was when we got the independence. That time this Hyderabad part was the independent. It was the remain in independent. In 1956, the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel attacked and he merged this Hyderabad into the Karnataka state. So Bidar, Raichur, Kalaburgi districts were under the Hyderabad Nizam, and the Karnataka state has added to these divisions. The Ballari, which was the part of Madras state, was added to the Ballari was in Madras state. It is now added in 1956. This Ballari district has added to the Karnataka government. And after this Bahmani kingdom, so many Palegaras becoming emperor, they become independent. Who are those? The Palegaras of Harappanhalli Palegaras, they become independent. Sandur Palegaras becoming independent. Jarimale, Surpura, where the well-known Palegaras become the independent kings. So in Surupur district, Surupur Palegaras, the Krishnappa Naika ruled that area, Surupur area. After this Krishnappa Naika's death, his son became the king. His name is Venkatappa Naika, very important name, Venkatappa Naika. Because he was a famous, means the Venkatappa Naika started the first war against the British, that is the war of Indian independence. That war is considered as first war of Indian independence. He waged war against the British. He started the fight with the British and the big military of the British. He captured and imprisoned him. So the British gifted the Surpur to the Hyderabad Nizam. Then these Surpur and all these districts comes under the Hyderabad's rule. So in 1956 again it came back to the Union government, Indian Union government. So for liberation, before in 1956, for the liberation of the Hyderabad Nizam, because they harassed the common people, the Hyderabad Nizam were not in good administration, so some peoples revolted against the Hyderabad Nizam. So some peoples are very important. Among them, those names are Swami Ramananda Tirtha, Sardar Sharanagowda Inamdar. They were very famous, and they became revolted against the Hyderabad Nizam. And Shivamurti, Alavandi, Shiruru, Veerabhadrappa, Prabhu Raja Patila Sanganara Pundalikappa were the leading agitation against the Nizams. The government of Nizam started harassing the common people. That's why these people revolted against the Nizam's rule. The central government of India undertook the direct action against the Nizam and it merged to the India in the year September 17, 1948. Then the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the Home Minister at that time. The Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister, the first Indian Prime Minister. The independent India has the first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and the first Home Minister was Iron Man Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. They started this attack and they merged into the Hyderabad into the Karnataka government. So, and in this Kalvari division has so many resources, water resources and minerals are there, mines are there, very important gold mine is there in because that including all these the Kalvari division is poor and backward. So the important rivers in this Kalvari division are Bhima, Tungabhadra, Krishna, Mulmari, Bennetora, Karanja Dam is Bennetora were the important rivers. But the Karanja Dam is there in this is for only the Bidar district. The Karanja is very small dam and it gives the water to the irrigation and all facilities to only the Bidar district. Here the red, black and alluvial soils is there in this division. Red, black and alluvial soils are available. So here the paddy is major crop. The paddy in the Kalaburgi and Raichur district which is very important and major crop paddy. Now they are improving in the agriculture. They are growing the sugar cane and text cotton. The sugar cane major commercial crop and the foxtail millet, cotton, horse gram and pulses are the some crops. The forest is very least. The dense forest in Sandur Taluka is little. Forest is there, the Sandur Taluk, and the rainfall is also very low in that Kalburgi division. Here the Tungabhadra Dam is there. It gives the irrigation facility to the Raichur and Ballari district. And one more is there, Basavasagara Dam. It gives the irrigation to the Raichur and Kalaburgi district. So the Karanja project provided the irrigation facilities to the Bidar district only. And very important, children, the minerals available in this division are silver, silica, gold in Raichur district, iron ore, limestone, manganese ore are available. The manganese ore that is the famous Ballari district. In Ballari district the manganese ore is available and in Raichur for the extraction of gold the Raichur is very famous in Hatti gold mine. The 80% of gold extraction throughout the India is in only the Raichur district Hatti gold. So and the one more is there the granites are available throughout the division. The granites are available but the division is not rich from all these including natural resources. So children, I will conclude this session and read this lesson. I will send the question answer and write in the new notebook, write these all the question answers. Okay, thank you.